Hi sir, today I will show you the three fundamental skills: the locomotor, non-locomotor, and manipulative. I will show you the example of locomotor skills. First example is walking. Second is running. Third is jumping. Next, I will show you some three examples of non-locomotor skills. First is balancing. Second is stretching. Third is squat. So next, I will show you the three examples of manipulative skills. First is dribbling a ball. Second is bouncing a ball. Third is catching a ball.